Hi, and welcome to the third installment of AchieveScale. I'm Brink Trammell, and I'm using this short series of videos to share with clients and colleagues a lightweight approach to scaling projects and programs without creating undue bureaucracy. If you're watching for the first time, you can see how this episode fits into the overall series by looking at the series roadmap at AchieveScale.com. Last time I painted a pretty bleak picture of the inevitability of overwhelming complexity as programs and organizations grow. But it's clearly not hopeless. Humans have been working together to accomplish big things for thousands of years. We just need to do two things: eliminate the risk of catastrophic failure, and then optimize performance. Of course, by catastrophic, I just mean anything that has us saying, "We blew it," at the end. We talked last time about an exponential increase in complexity as programs scale. With all that complexity swirling around, we need to create a conceptual structure that'll give us something to grab onto, a way to identify facets and dimensions that we can influence to mitigate the growing pains. Since the difficulty derives from an exponential growth in communications, I'll take information flow as a starting point. We can divide information flowing through an organization into three types, which I call convergent, divergent, and point-to-point. Convergent flows are those that combine and consolidate inputs from a broad range of sources. This usually includes facts about program operations, such as status, schedule information, spending, issues, etc. We typically associate this kind of flow with movement upward in an organizational hierarchy. And the results are used at various levels to keep perspective for making decisions. This is the information that lets management get out of the weeds, to think and act strategically. Divergent flows go the other way and usually contain either directives, such as changes in scope or schedule, or contextual information to hopefully reduce the myopic tendencies described in a previous episode. The third type of flow, what I call point-to-point, represents by far the majority of communication within most organizations. The bulk of this type is horizontal communication between effective peers across organizational boundaries and is generally about coordination, though point-to-point flow can also be upward, as when escalating a specific issue, or downward, as with disciplinary action. These flows are interrelated. Facts from convergent flows are used to make decisions and develop perspectives that are then communicated divergently through the group, and the context spread this way informs lateral point-to-point conversation throughout the program. Each of these types of flows can be communicated over different channels: status reports, risk logs, budget reviews, memos, design documents, meetings, hallway conversations, newsletters, etc. This series is mainly about cherry-picking the most crucial flows and designing channels for them that work as well as possible. I'll look at all of them in turn, but in the next episode I'll concentrate on the convergent type of flow, since once a program has reached its operational stride, convergent information drives the other type of information flows. It defines how perspective and understanding emerge from day-to-day program operations. If you have any additions or comments or clarifications, please leave a note at AchieveScale.com, and thanks for watching.